So I'm discuss very important topic, how to writing for Google certification exam. So when enter for Google Academy for Ads, previous is called Google Partner, now it is called Google Academy for Ads. Just open URL landing.google.com/academy for ads. Just here is a totally free exams, nothing paid to Google. But here one condition will be there. Any write exam, first of all writing for Google fundamentals. First exam, Google fundamentals. First of all, any exam you can click for browse. To click for browse. So many options are changing for the Google certification exam. Total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 categories. So each exam I'll explain by in the notepad. First Google Ads fundamental. 65 questions, 90 minutes, 80% pass marks. Any exam, common, 80% pass mark. You get received by 79%. Your exam will be failed. Exam will be received by exactly 80% marks. Out of 100, you receive by 80 marks. Google Ad display, 1 or 2 question, 120 minutes. Google Ad search means text ad, 1 or 2 question and 120. Google Ads mobile ad, nothing but 70 question, 90 minutes. Google Ads display video ads, 74 question, 90 minutes. Shopping ad, 78 question, 90 minutes. Google Analytics individual qualification exam, 70 question, 90 minutes. How much is pass marks? But here one condition is there. Up to 1 to 6 exam will be 1 year validity. One exam will be 18 months validity. The certificate valid up to all above 12 months. This will be 18 months. Only Google Analytics will be 18 months. Any first of all exam is a Google Ads fundamental. Any kind of category first exam is Google fundamental. Now how to write exam? I'll show one by one. Google Ads. First digital sale, Google Ads display, Ads mobile, Ads search, Ads video, programmatic and shopping ads. So select anyone, Ad search. Anyone, Ad search. What is the first exam? Google Ads fundamental. Select it. Any exam if you are right, select the first of all option. Select by first option. Google Ads fundamental assignment. Select it. 65 question, 90 minutes. 65 question, 90 minutes. How much pass marks? 80%. Validity for 1 year. So 90 minutes, 80% pass mark is now give the validity. The validity given up to 1 year. Now go back. Fundamental. So how do we can find out the study material? That all belongs to here. These are your study materials. You can read the study material. You can follow the all options. Everything will be theory. Theory, you can writing for alphabet by your option. So once you fail exam, next another hour you can write. Suppose the condition will be changed next 24 hours. Only 2 options. Another 1 hour or after 24 hours. Only 2 options will be changing by Google based on the pattern. See this one. This is all your course material provided by the Google. This is all one by one. See this one. So it's total 8 minutes, 30 minutes, 14 minutes, 12 minutes, 11 minutes, 11 minutes, 12 minutes, These are the exams. These are the exams. So it is exam for your particular option. Next, to go back. After writing for Google Ads Fundamental, writing for another exam. Which one? Ad Search Certification. First one, what is showing for? Fundamental. Without writing for fundamental, don't writing for ad search. Select it. Select it. 102 question. Limit for 120 minutes. 102 question. Limit for 120 minutes. So what are the exams? You can start by launch. Exactly pass mark will be 80. If you enter the assignment early or the timer run out of before you have answered enough question correctly, you want pass. Don't click the on the timer. So what are the time you will give 90 minutes? You can wait for up to 90 minutes. Don't click the submit button. My questions are done. I wait up to 90 minutes. There is a programmatical by writing exam. Back. These all exams. What are the exam you have write? You can select by everything. About YouTube, select it. YouTube, select it. YouTube. Video for brand basic. Little bit pattern will be changed in particular exam. Video for brand basic. YouTube we can ask by the changing for 3-4 more exam will be added. So this will be a total course. Is clear? Next, go back. YouTube channel growth, YouTube content ownership. About total YouTube. Well, first of all, it is finished by the Google Ads Fundamental. And we can come to here. Total exam you can find out by the Google Ads. Select it. In this, find out by the Google Ads for video. For the first exam you're writing, Google Ads Fundamental. Any exam, first you're writing for Google Ads Fundamental. Without writing Fundamental, don't writing for another exam. Select it. Select here. This time show the exam procedure. 74 question, 90 minutes. 74 question, 90 minutes. How much pass mark? 80%, validity 1 year. So this is called writer exam based on the reading documents. If anything, read document to your study material. First of all, you can certify for the Google Fundamental. This is the basic for Google certification. It will be free. If you fail exam below 80%, you can write exam after 1 hour or after 24 hours based on the Google condition. So this is writing exam for Google certification. Total writing for 8 exam. Enough for the derivation. One is text ad, display, video, mobile, fundamental, analytics, digital, and shopping. In this, we can write more than we can write only 6 will be enough. Google fundamental, shopping, display, mobile ads, video ads, and analytics. 6 will be enough for to write exam for Google certification. If writing for more exam, find out and write the exam. All exam include by here. Google Ads. Any digital related, this will be digital examination. Activate customer centric marketing. Choose the right mobile assist. How to find a mobile customer. Make engaging mobile messages. Measure mobile effectively. Measure your customer centric matrix. So this all come into your marketing methods. Total 7 exam you can pass by total. 6 will be enough for you to certify the exam. If writing for one certified along with Google Fundamental, you are the Google certified person. But without writing for Google Fundamental, we can't write for another exam. First important exam is the Google Fundamental to start the exam. So always remember URL academy.google.com/ writing for this URL. Landing.google.com/ academic for ads to write a exam.